be teaching you a lesson about a concept that lots of students find really challenging to get their heads around, and I'm going to try and teach it in a quite simple way, okay, just to make sure we get the concepts across really easily, okay. We're going to start off with dingbats to get you into the theme. I'm not going to tell you what the lesson's going to be about, so you're going to work it out as we go. So this is your first word. So once you've guessed it, put your hand up. Go on.
It's squash.
Squash. Squash is the right word.
Backwash.
Backwash. Backwash. Quite a hard one. What are they doing?
Pushing.
Another word. Becoming a button. Okay. Take off the S's.
Prevailing wind.
Prevailing wind. Nice one. Okay, last one. Hard one.
What?
Place the U of an O.
Longshore drift.
Longshore drift. Nice one. Okay, longshore drift. So, that is going to be what my lesson is going to be about, okay, about longshore drift, because this is a concept that students find really challenging, okay. So, basically, by the time I finish this lesson, you should be able to know the term, define the term, okay, and we'll be able to draw an annotated sketch. But, I want to start initially with what you guys know, okay. So what I'd like you to do, using as many of the words as I just used in that initial starter, I want you to draw the process of longshore drift. Add as many words as you possibly can. Pretty much exactly the same idea, okay. I'm just going to show it in stages. So we've got our beach, okay. We've got our prevailing wind direction, which usually is at an angle. It's very rare for the wind to come straight at the beach. The waves then take on the same direction as the wind, okay, in the form of the swash that goes up the beach. And essentially, particles move with the wave. So that particle has moved with that wave forward to the next place. Then, as the backwash comes back down, okay, that material then moves back down the beach. Okay, the next wave, okay, comes in, moving that particle up the beach once again, the swash. Okay, and again, the returning wave brings the material back down the beach. So long term, what happens is that material is moving from one side of the beach to the other down the coast, okay? And that essentially is the process of longshore drift. And most of you in your diagrams have got that idea across, this idea of the movement of the sand up and down the beach. So, essentially, in this really short lesson, what I've tried to get across is the idea that actually longshore drift, okay, is a process where sand, okay, through the movement of the waves up and down the beach, affected by the angle of the waves, okay, moves material down the beach. I just want you to finish off, okay, by adding anything different that you just picked up from that diagram and us talking through that as kind of team teaching there. Okay, just adding, supplementing to your knowledge. And then, if you could write in the top right hand corner, okay, a number 1 if you really don't understand this concept anymore, you still don't understand it, or right through to a number 5, I totally understand this concept. Okay? So 3 is I kind of get it, but I still probably need to do a bit more work. Okay? 5, I totally understand it. Okay? And 1, you know, right down at the bottom, I have no clue. And there you go. My short little lesson on Longshore drift. Thank you very much.